Hello! We have an unboxing video for you. Got this on Amazon.
Yeah.
So it's the Nickelodeon pack of mystery box from Funko. Got it on Amazon for about 30 bucks, so I was pretty happy about that. This is cartoons from my childhood, so I was really happy to find it. We're hoping to get Ren and Stimpy. I think he's pretty awesome. These are the characters. You can see. We got Angry Beavers. We got Rocco's Modern Life.
Yep.
We got Hey Arnold, Stimpy, Tommy, Ren, honey, Elijah, Cat Dog, Nigel, Oblina, I think is the real monsters, Chucky, and then another Angry Beaver. So let's start this. Vincent? Like to do the honors?
Yeah.
Let's aim this down a little bit so we can see what you're opening. All right. Cut off half my face.
Happy face? Okay.
Let's see what you got. What is the first one we're gonna get? Ready? Pull it out. We got an Angry Beaver. That guy's cool.
Well, we got the normal.
Let's see, what is he? He is, oh, 1 in 72, right off the bat. That's cool. All right, next one.
Nice. Michael Vincent John.
There you go.
Here.
Pat on the back.
Pat on the back.
Ow.
Okay, Daddy's gonna open this one. Ooh, small.
No.
I feel ears. Ooh, I think
Like a red?
it feels like a wren. I got red.
Hey!
Nice. Put that up to the camera.
Look, we got one.
Right, there you go. We got red. Okay, here's yours.
His baby.
Let's try to fix this situation. There we go. That's better.
Yeah. That's
The secret?
Secret squirrel? No, wasn't SpongeBob in the 90s? I feel like he started in the 90s and should be in this collection.
I don't think so.
Really?
I think he was like early 2000s.
Oh, okay. Do you need help opening that?
no. Got it. Let's see it.
Oh, there you go. Good job. Whoa, look at that!
Rolled.
You got Tommy.
Tommy!
What is Tommy? Tommy is 1 in 6, and Ren was a 1 in 6. Okay. Daddy's turn. Let's see. Ooh, these feel like big ears. Big.
Hey Arnold action.
Yep, I think so.
Nothing you want.
Hey Arnold!
Arnold.
Look at that guy. These characters are really cool.
Yeah,
I
they
dig
are.
them. Okay,
What
next.
else
Hey Tommy.
Mom.
Hey Arnold.
Hey, hi. Hey, Hubbard. Hi, Hubbard. Hi,
Hubbard.
Hubbard. Winner?
No.
Edit. Can I get an edit over here?
What does it feel like?
I feel stuck.
Oh, do you feel cat dog?
Yeah.
Oh.
I feel cat.
Oh, you're right.
It is. Sort of.
Nice. Cat dog.
Wow, look at that. Those are cool.
Yeah.
Woof.
Way to go, Funko.
Right? I really dig these.
Yeah.
Cat dog is one of my favorites.
Cat dog.
Daddy's turn.
We got to find us a Stimpy.
I find just the things.
There. What's this? This one
feel like a Stimpy.
What is that? I don't.
There's Stimpy.
What is that? I think that's Nigel. That's Nigel.
Oh.
Peekaboo, Nigel. You look at that mustache. That's a
Sweet stash.
stash goal right there.
It kind of shows his mustache. That's an Eggman mustache.
Eggman. Oh,
Yes, it is.
yes. Good job from
Is it-
Sonic.
Yeah.
I could see that. That's what they need on these. They need to do a Sonic mystery one. That'd be cool.
Maybe for the new movie.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Because they got more characters.
Right.
Yeet. Do you need a hiss for an assist?
No. Ow.
Yeet.
Ow.
Yeet.
Ow. Let's do this.
Fair enough.
There.
I feel
What's it feel like?
I feel the normal.
Normal.
Normal what?
None of them are normal. Oh, you think it's one of
It's
the...
another beaver?
Here, open it open.
I want Stimpy and Rocco.
Yes. Rocco is one of my favorites.
Chucky. I like Chucky too. He's my favorite.
Yeah, he's fun.
Okay.
Got it?
He's got his eyes closed.
Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Ew, got a Chucky.
Chucky!
God, look at that hair. You gonna hurt somebody with that one.
Keep that one by the door.
Yeah. Put it up to the camera.
Chucky!
Chucky!
What's this?
And his best friend Tommy.
Yep.
I don't. What is this?
Ah, magic!
Yeah.
Magic!
Smile and nod. All right, what does this feel like? Oh, we got the daughter,
Liza.
Eliza. Elijah?
Liza!
Eliza.
Oh, here, Mom.
Thank you.
Help!
Like
Okay, so
We're gonna
I've
complete the set or what?
never seen that cartoon, so
That's okay.
I remember they were on a bus and kind of going exploring. I've
Yeah,
seen
they're
bits and
explorers.
pieces, but never. No, and same with Angry Beaver. Never watched it. I
Angry
think.
Beavers was okay.
Yeah. Look at that. What is she? I didn't even look. Is she probably a 1 in 6? 1 in 24. Yep. Chucky was a 1 in 6. Cat Dog was a 1 in 36. So now we need Rocco, the brown Angry Beaver. We need Stimpy.
So you only have 4 left. So.
And oh boy. And then we need the Arrow Monsters character. Okay.
Come on, Stimpy!
Come on, Stimpy.
Or
Come
Rocco!
on.
Somebody good.
Somebody come get her!
The picture like this. Here.
Rawr. My soul!
Oh, hey, look at that.
It's the beaver!
Cool, look at that. 1 in 72.
Sweet. We
Awesome.
got that beavers.
Put them up to the camera.
Hey, we got the book back.
The book.
Beaver card.
Beaver card. Beaver baby.
Damn it.
Wow.
Okay. What does this feel like?
Feel like a Snoopy? Or Rocco?
I think it actually, it feels like her, the Arrow Monsters.
Oh.
Whoops. Well, we are going to be missing, what, 1?
Yeah.
If we get no doubles. So far, oh, I don't even want to say
Yeah,
it.
don't.
No,
don't
I'm
even
not
open
going to
it.
say it.
None of that.
Or Bill.
No.
Fill that one in? Come on. No way, Jose.
Dad,
We ain't got no doubles in here.
Dad, close it. Close the eyes.
Okay, ready? Whoosh.
Ha!
Ah, I was right.
What's that?
Yeet, yeet.
Ho, big boy.
Oh god, was it Oblina?
Something like that.
From Real Monsters. I liked that show. I thought it was
too.
good. It was good stuff. Okay.
Good
Yours.
butchers. Good old butchers.
Then we got one left after that. So
Stimpy and Rocco. Here we go.
that's what we need. Don't want to have to buy a whole new case just for a couple. But man, we're doing good.
This is got.
It's a good thing I actually pressed record on this. Because I had the boy do it. That's the only way. If I would have done it, we'd still just not been
No,
recording.
we're not recording anymore. Does it feel like Stimpy? Does it feel like a fat cat?
Oh.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Get it, dude. Open it, open it!
Do you need assistance? Got it.
Muscles! Yeah!
Yay!
Stimpy! Look at his butt.
Look at his booty.
Look at his butt.
Put that. Put that into the camera. Booty. Oh. I used to have the stuffed animals, me and my brother, and
Yeah.
they'd fart. You squeeze them and they'd fart.
Of course
They were awesome. Those were my favorite.
We should try to find someone in Stimpy. You would get kicked out of it, Vincent.
Yeah, I don't know
It's
if they're
very
appropriate.
inappropriate.
I used to have the DVDs like when they did like a re-release of them, but I think I ended up selling them. Okay,
All right, Rocco, here we go.
last one.
Rocco.
Rocco. Have your eyes closed.
Oh boy. This is just insane. I don't know how this is happening. Rocco. We got Rocco.
It's the whole set. We
The
got the
whole
set.
frickin' set in one go. No doubles.
That's
this-
the whole set. We killed the whole
Wow.
collection.
This
Right there.
is insane. We got everybody. Everybody on that. I highly suggest if anybody actually watches this to buy this box. $30. If you're my age or my wife's age,
Shame on
you've seen these cartoons and you loved them. So yeah, I'm totally stoked about this.
That's fix it.
So this is pretty awesome.
Dad,
Okay, we need to
Sign out.
well, let's do a video or showing
Oh,
them.
you want to do a recap?
Recap. Okay,
Nigel.
Nigel. Okay, Oblina. Right there. Okay, we got Eliza. Tommy. Look how cute he is. We got Chucky.
Hey.
Okay, your turn. Angry Beaver.
Number 1.
1. Angry Beaver number 2.
Don't do the west. Don't do the west. I want to do the
I
west.
know, I'm handing them to you.
Yeah.
Show.
Got Stimpy with a little bit of booty. Cheeks.
But you.
Got Ren.
No butt cheeks.
No butt cheeks.
You go.
We got Arnold.
Hey, Arnold.
Hey Arnold. Football head. That. Oh, no butt cheeks.
Nope. Tail's in the way.
Rocco's Modern Life. I liked his cow friend.
Yeah.
His cow friend is fun.
I like the neighbor guy.
Neighbor. Oh, he was like a
Fish guy.
frog.
Yeah, frog or whatever.
Something.
Yeah, he was all
Yeah.
angry.
Cat dog. They had a lot of good characters.
Cat
Dog.
All right.
All right, that was awesome. All right, that's
Bye,
it.
bye, 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 bye.
Let's say bye.
Bye.
Sign out. Oh!
Oh!
Peace out.